Alright, today we'll be doing an unboxing video for the 3rd generation Echo Dot here by Amazon. So, this is the box. This looks like all the things you can do with the Dot here. And then of course branding and basic instructions. Alright, let's get this open. Opening the box, you can already see the Amazon logo here and of course the Dot. Now the Dot looks hockey puck shaped. It's got a nice rubber bottom with the Amazon logo. It's got a nice plasticky top with 4 physical buttons. Now the cloth on it feels pretty good. Alright, so in the rest of the box we have instructions, and another instruction card, and then opening it up it looks like we have a black charger. Now, this color isn't actually black. I believe Amazon calls it charcoal. So let's go ahead and see how this looks like plugged in. It looks like it doesn't use USB charger anymore. It looks like it has its own charger. And it looks like it still has the audio in feature. Alright, this is what it looks like turned on. Alright, thank you for watching this unboxing video.